Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by assessing the crack so you know how much repair is possible. Small surface cracks can be smoothed, shattered protectors must be replaced. Once done, clean the screen with an alcohol wipe and let it dry to remove oils that trap dust. Use a dust sticker or clear tape to lift particles. This reduces bubbles later. Make sure to keep the phone face down on a soft cloth and organize tools within reach so you maintain control and avoid new damage. You now stabilize the crack by applying a very small amount of clear repair resin or a drop of cyanoacrylate into the fracture. This fills gaps and bonds edges. Next, press gently with a plastic card to level the resin and push air out. Work from the center outward so the liquid spreads evenly. Once leveled, cure the resin with a UV lamp or let it set undisturbed for 10 to 15 minutes. This hardens the bond and restores touch clarity while preventing the crack from spreading. You finish by carefully removing any cured excess resin using a microfiber cloth slightly dampened with alcohol. Wipe gently so you don't scratch the surface. Once done, inspect touch response and display clarity. If either is compromised, replace the protector because the underlying adhesive or glass may be damaged. If small bubbles remain after application, lift the protector slightly and reapply from the center outward or use a thin card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.